Hello friends! Have you seen a large family with many twins and triplets? Today, we will get to know a large family with two sets of triplets. A, ơ, o, ơ, and three pair of twins. E, e, u, ư. As you see, these triplet vowels or twins seem to be similar in appearance. So I would like to help you distinguish and identify the differences of the 12 vowels in the topic. Single vowel. Nguyên âm đơn. Đây là nguyên âm O. Your mouth forms a round shape like this. O. O. If now we put the head on O, we will have nguyên âm O. O. What will happen if a wind blows the head away and bring to our little tuft of hair? We will have nguyên âm ơ. Now repeat after me please. Lặp lại theo tôi nhé. O, o, ơ. O, o, ơ. Lần nữa nhé. Again please. O, o, ơ. If now, from this vowel nguyên âm I push my voice up, you will hear a sound like this. Is the sound of single vowel nguyên âm Lặp lại theo tôi nhé. And this is vowel A. Đây là nguyên âm A. Likewise, if I push my voice up, you will hear a sound. A. A is the sound of single vowel A. Nguyên âm A. Lặp lại theo tôi nhé. A. 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 Again, lần nữa nhé. A. A. So, we've learned two pairs of triplets. O, o, ơ. A, á, Lần nữa nhé. Again. O, o, ơ. A, á, The twins have same sound, but one is short and another is long. Vietnamese people often say this E as Y ngắn and this E as Y dài. Y ngắn, Y dài. Lặp lại theo tôi nhé. Repeat after me please. Y, 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 Y. Đây là nguyên âm e. When you say e, you can smile like this. E. E. Và đây là nguyên âm e. It's like a sound when you help someone impolitely. E. E. Lặp lại theo tôi nhé. E. 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 Again. E. 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 Đây là nguyên âm u. When you say u, you will move your lips forward like this. U. U. Và đây là nguyên âm ư. Ư. Lặp lại theo tôi nhé. U. Ư. Lần nữa nhé. U. Ư. So, I've introduced to you the 12 single vowels today. Now, let's review together. Cùng ôn lại nhé. O. O. Ơ. A. Á. Ớ. Y. Y. E. E. U. Ư. Lần nữa nha. Again, please. O. O. Ơ. A. Á. Ớ. Y. Y. E. E. U. Ư. Nhanh hơn nha. Faster. O. O. Ơ. A. Á. Ớ. Y. Y. E. E. U. Ư. I hope you have fun and will never forget these single vowels. I wish you a day with full of energy. I forget to say that we still have some exercises to practice in next topics. With these exercises, we can spell in full and speak Vietnamese tongue exactly. They will be vowel combination. Now, it's time to say goodbye and see you later. Xin chào và hẹn gặp lại.